Hi and welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start the next chapter in maths, that is constructions. So in construction we will start with drawing the tangents from an external point to a circle. So here we have the first question. Draw a circle with center O and radius 2.7 centimeters. Then take a point P at a distance of 8.5 centimeters from the center of the circle. Now using a pair of compasses and ruler, construct two tangents PS and PT to the circle and measure and state the length of the tangent segments. So we have to construct and measure and state the length of the two tangents. First part of the question is draw a circle with center O and radius 2.7 centimeters. So let's take that 2.7 centimeter on the compass with the help of a scale and draw that circle whose center is O. Then take a point P at a distance of 8.5 centimeter from the center O. So we'll draw a straight line from center O and the length of that segment will be 8.5 centimeter. So at 8.5 centimeter you have the point P. So radius is 2.7 centimeters and the distance OP is 8.5 centimeters. And from this external point P we have to draw two tangents to this circle, and for that we need to draw the perpendicular bisector for this segment OP. Perpendicular bisector, that's a line which will divide this segment OP into two parts and it should be perpendicular. For that we will take our compass and take slightly more than half. Okay, so till here it would be half, but we are taking little more than half, and draw the arc, same arc down, and with the same measure we will try to cut this arc. We'll mark the points where they intersect, and with the scale we will draw this line and let this point be M. Now we'll take our compass and taking MO as the radius we will cut this circle at 2 points. The name of the tangents given in our question is PS and PT. So let this point be our S and this point will be our T. Now let's join the points with the scale. The other one also. So these are our tangents PS and PT. And the question also says measure and state the length of the two tangents, that is PS and PT. We need to measure the length, and their length will be same because both the tangents PS and PT, they are from the same external point P to the same circle, so their length will be equal. So you can take the measure of any of this tangent and the length of both the tangents will be the same. So let's check. Let's measure the length. So mine is coming to 8 centimeters. So let's write that. So the length of tangent PS equals to the length of tangent PT, and that's equal to 8 centimeters. And the accuracy of the length of the tangents depends on the sharpness of your pencil. So there could be some error and the error what is considered is plus or minus 0.1 centimeters. So because of any inaccuracy, instead of 8 centimeter you may get 7.9 centimeter or 8.1 centimeter. So that will be considered as 8 centimeter, or it will be correct, because the error what they consider is plus or minus 0.1 centimeters. So instead of 8, if you're getting 7.9, it's correct, or if you're getting 8.1, it's okay, but anything less or more than that you may not get full marks. Okay, so error is 0 plus or minus 0.1 centimeters. And be careful that all the values given in the question should be there. The measurement should be there in the figure, like the radius, this distance OP, okay, and name of all this point, center O, then this external point M is not that important, and the length, the tangent points S and T. If these points P, S and T are given, well and good. If not given, you have to put these alphabets or any of the alphabets A, B, C, D, but these points you have to mark. The external point, the center, and this points where the tangent is intersecting the circle. This is not that important. So I'll repeat the steps again. The first step is take the radius and draw a circle. Mark the center O, and from the center, that external point, whatever length they have given, from the center, the external point P, draw a line, mark that point, and then draw the perpendicular bisector for this segment OP. Okay, keeping your compass at P, taking more than half, draw the arc up and down with the same measure, keep it at O and cut that arc. Mark these points and join them so that you get the perpendicular bisector. Once you get the perpendicular bisector, keep your compass at M. Taking MO as the radius, you can cut the circle at 2 points, or you can draw the full circle also, but we need only these 2 points. So taking MO as the radius, cut the circle at 2 points. So those will be the point where the tangents meet the circle or touch the circle. So from this external point P, you can draw the tangents, and in the end you have to measure the length of the tangents and write. And please note that your pencil should be sharp enough, and you should have 2 pencils, one on the compass, fixed permanently on the compass, and another pencil to draw and mark the lines and all. Don't use one pencil. Use 2 pencils. One should be fixed on this. No need to remove this.